Our next topic is what we call end-to-end function design. Every organization has functional units. Business functions are groups such as marketing, supply chain, research and development, sales, and operations. What we call support functions are those that include human resources, finance, legal, communications, and IT. We consider functions as capability builders for the company. They're charged with building the processes, systems, and talent that provide the knowledge, ideas, and insights that drive the strategic decision-making of the company. Therefore, the thoughtful design of business and support functions is essential to enabling the work of product groups, geographic market units, and customer teams. Take the example of the consumer insights function. Today, many companies have fractured insights groups with resources distributed widely in marketing and brand teams and across regional commercial groups. The opportunity to leverage expertise, to share knowledge, and create a single analytical platform is often missing. Recognizing this, a leader might think to consolidate insights into a global organization. But centralization often results in disconnection from local market needs and may not bring better insights into business decision-making. If, on the other hand, insights professionals in the business units are linked from the center into a network that employs a common customer framework, supported by common analytical tools and talent development standards, the benefits of both global scale and local presence can be achieved. For a business seeking greater integration across business and market units, the functions should share a common design logic that allows them to connect consistently into the business market node in the matrix. Now, the logic starts with a clear understanding of the difference between what we call center-led and centralized management, as shown in this model. The vertical axis represents degrees of integration or linkage. The top of the axis doesn't imply that work has to be done at a global level. Rather, the company is able to use its size to afford very specialized resources and move management time and attention around the world onto the highest value problems and opportunities. This can only be achieved if there is an enterprise view on talent, budget, resources, and priorities. The horizontal axis is about control, how tightly decisions are controlled with regard to how functional work is done in the operating units. The goal should be to gain high degrees of integration without high degrees of unnecessary control for work that must be delivered with both scale and speed. Now, some work and decisions, risk management, brand standards, big investments should be centralized at the corporate level. And other work and decisions are so local, such as translations and local promotions, that no value can be added from people sitting outside a given market. They're best left fully decentralized. However, in most global companies, there are many decisions that require speed and local responsiveness, but which also benefit from being aligned with a common global agenda. This can be achieved through a sophisticated use of formal networks, centers of expertise, shared agendas, strong governance, guardrails, and common process. We use this framework to sort the work of the function. It helps us not just only to identify what should be center-led and what should be left in the business, but to be nuanced around the various roles of the center. Once the work is sorted across functional oversight, thought leadership, and the various types of shared services, then smart decisions can be made about role design, skill needs, location of resources, and the number and contribution of functional people at corporate, regional, and local layers.